Uh, Hello, teacher and classmates. My alter ego is Jose Cadavid. Hello, my name is Jose Cadavid. I work at San Martin University. At night, I am a simple man of the house, and in the day, I become a superhero that solves the problems of many students. I have made a program to give quick solutions to the problems of the students. I have never failed. It's a question of serving the team equally and right the same enthusiasm. I have traveled to several cities of the university, noting with such as Medellin, Ibagué, Cartagena, Montería, almost all. I have not traveled to the hard part of the city of Pasto and would like to go, but I know most of the team. I have powers to help students get higher degree with reviewing their folders, to have the university that was a few years ago. Many students, committed teachers and responsible employers are for a good cause. My inner hero has the obligation to take my son forward and take care of my wife. He has no fear of facing the challenges that life put before him. In the future, after saving humanity from a terrible invasion, I want to see my professional son be pensioned, take care of my grandchildren, and grow old with my wife. Thank you.